Hey everybody, hope everyone's doing well. I decided to do another video. I got a few boxes in that were delivered to my home and not to work. Don't ask me why I keep sending things to work, just not paying attention. But yes, next video right now. So I decided for my birthday month, which is April, that I wanted to expand my horizons, I guess you could say, and try something a little different. So I decided to give FabFitFun a try. I've seen obviously like pop-ups constantly on Facebook. I've seen videos. I've seen quite a few reviews on their products, and it took me a little while. I researched it, and then I decided, yeah, I think I'm going to give this a try. One thing I didn't know looking into it was I thought it was a monthly subscription box, which it is not. It is a quarterly subscription box. So pretty decent sized box, obviously. Really pretty. I have not opened this yet, you guys. I saved it for you. I have not even opened it. And I'm really, really excited. So I know with this box, when I went through the process, your first box you get $10 off. So I got this box for $39 and some change with, I believe, shipping was added and some tax. And so you can cancel at any time. Depending on how this goes, I may continue, may not. But you can obviously cancel after and not receive it again. But I thought for my first box and for my birthday month in April, I wanted to give it a try and just see what all the hype was about and if it really is worth it or not, or maybe it's not for me. I still love my Ipsy Glam boxes, which I have another video gonna film and start for that as well, for the April Glam box. And so stay tuned, I'll work on that. And then, yeah, I guess we can get started. What else do we have to do during a giant quarantine month, right? So I thought I would share this fun with you guys, because I love mail and boxes and mystery items. So I know when I purchased this, it gave me an option to right away for add-ons. So I'll stop for like 2 seconds. I was looking into these Spongella products, which is like a sponge that you just, it has like all the product inside of it, so it's great for like traveling. I was looking into purchasing one of these, and then I decided, I'm not paying $20 for one loofah with product in it. And when I went to go check out for this box, it gave me an add-on option to add these packs of Spongella for like, I think I got both of these, which this one has 2 loofahs in it and something else, and then this one has the one, so there's, I think I have 3 or 4 now. And I think I added them on for like $15. So yeah, I did pay extra. I paid $15, but I know I was getting way more for the value. I got 3 for the price of 1 that came with my box. So I didn't even have to pay for shipping. So I can tell, like I can smell through the boxes. They really do smell really, really good. So I'm excited. I wanted to use these more for traveling so I wouldn't have to do the body gel with me. I would pack my own usually, but I just thought this would be really fun, so I really wanted to try it. That's kind of what I was going to head to Rome in September, and I was like, I need one of these for Rome, and now most likely not going to Rome, but I could still go other places, right? Let's keep our heads up. So yeah, Spongella smells amazing. I'll let you guys know about it when I use it. Very happy with that little add-on and the price for sure, because I had already gone to Spongella.com, and most of the stuff they were sold out of too, so it was worth it. Definitely worth it. So that was a plus right off the bat. Cute box. Love the box. Butterflies everywhere. And I will open this for you guys. I haven't opened it. I swear I haven't opened it, so I'm going to be pretty excited about this. I really am. Okay. Deep breath. Oh, it's purple on the inside. Okay, I don't know what you guys can see. Okay. Alright, so they're going to keep it a surprise. Look, they wrap it, and then there's this lovely magazine I've heard about on top. So I'm going to set this down, guys. FabFitFun, and it has We're Spilling the Tea, Catch Your Z's, Gina Rodriguez. So lots of little articles on this. I'll glance through it, I'm sure, and see if there's anything that, you know, piques my interest. You never know. Could be something really good in here. Like I see food and I see travel stuff, so I get excited about that. Let's see. I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay. So there's like this impressions kit for Bite. I don't know if you guys have heard that, but it looks like it's a like an Invisalign thing kind of scenario, another company. So I don't know if I'll look into that, but in case anyone's interested, Bite. Aligner treatment and at-home kit impressions. So very interesting. That is thrown in there. Okay, so here we go. There's a little butterfly sticker to open this. It's super cute. Oh, we got lots of fun stuff in here. Okay. Okay, so let's start with Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. It's a relaxing lotion. Used nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. Okay, guys, so let me fix that. This sounds great. I'm gonna guess it smells good and probably has like lavender in it. Usually sleep is related to lavender. I think so. Not really sure. Kind of has a lavender scent to it. Also very light, almost like a muscle cream smell. We'll see. We'll try this. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Let's see. I do really like Wonder Beauty. So this is a mascara for Wonder Beauty. And I'm pretty sure this is a tube, like a tube kind. So that's pretty exciting. There you go. So I will definitely give that a try. Volume and Length Mascara. I love trying mascaras. I'm really picky on my mascaras, but I definitely want to give this a try. I have no idea what this is. Oh, you guys, I wanted one of these. I haven't tried this brand yet. So this is a Winky Lux Rainbow balm. If you can see this packaging, it's really cute. It's kind of not really, you know, like, there you go. It's so cute. I know they carry it at Target now. It just launched at Target. I have not tried it yet. So definitely want to. Oh, look at this little, oh my gosh, it's like a shiny pill bottle. It's really cute. And oh my goodness, guys, look at this. This is so fun. Okay, I can't open it, but oh, look at. It's like 3 colors. Can you see that? That's so neat. I don't know what it smells like. Okay, it smells okay. I'm not sure, but that's, yeah, that's neat. Okay, well, that's fun. That's just like a super fun summery vibe. Lip and cheek balm. Lip and cheek balm. So that's fun. That's something I'll throw in my bag and just have with me wherever, for sure. Let's see. I also have received this Gravity weighted sleep mask. Yeah. So, you know, I don't have too many issues sleeping all the time. I have my days that are rough or my weeks that are rough. So I don't know. I've worn a mask like once or twice, and I remember thinking I should do this all the time, and then I stopped. Don't ask me why. I think I lost my mask. So I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty cool. It's heavy, and it's got like a gel pack in it. So this I don't know if I really want to put it on, but I mean it's very well made, and I mean you guys can see like ooh. Okay. So now that you've laughed. It's really pretty. It's simple. So I will give it a try. I mean, if it helps me sleep like a goddess, more power to me, right? I'm down. I am so down. So that will be fun to try. I also received, this was a big one. I didn't know, I wasn't sure if I was going to receive it. The Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. I can't remember, but I think this has got like a pretty high value on it, but I'm really excited. It's really pretty. I always could use another brush because my kids, you know, the 2 daughters, my oldest one steals my brushes all the time, so another one that moms would be like, no, nope, it's mine. Let's see, I know I was getting, let's see, what is this? I think it's a sweater? I'm not sure. Let me see. I think it's a sweater of some sort. It's a one-size-fits-all sweater. So it's like this cute little gray, thin gray little like sweater basically. So it's simple. It's got some open sleeves here. It's really light, so it's perfect for just that like slipping it on, walking around kind of thing. So yeah, it's just a nice little like robe sweater almost. Oh, and it even has pockets, guys, so That's always a win. The pockets for moms, that's a win. So yeah, it's a super light material, great for like spring, and it's kind of this gray, like a lighter gray color. So that's nice. It's really cute. Love it. So I'd wear it. I'll wear it. What is this? Okay. The Makeup Finishing Spray. Fine Mist, oil-free, paraben-free. It's by Skindinavia. So this is perfect. Shake well, apply over makeup, spray 2 to 4 times next. So similar to like Urban Decay's setting spray. Can always use another one and give it a try. So I'm all for it. I will definitely give this a try. That was a nice surprise. I knew I was getting these, so this looks like the last item. These are, I've seen these all over Facebook, so I kind of knew they were coming. But they're packing cubes, so they're small, medium, and large. It's a 3-piece set. I don't know if you guys can see this, but they're great for traveling and packing things up with little handles. So basically, they're really nice ways to segregate items in your luggage. So you can just kind of separate them out and, stack them on top of each other. They're nice like squares. So it's just a great way to organize luggage or organize when you're moving or so on and so forth. So I'll probably actually use these depending on where I'm going. You could use them to put like dirty clothes in on a longer trip, things like that. So yeah, this really cute colors, the bright like creamsicle, almost like really summery and fun for travel. So definitely a fun one. Yeah, guys. I mean, overall, I don't think I'm disappointed at all. I definitely think the value is here for the $39. I think I enjoy like surprises a lot more. So I knew you get to select, I think it's like 5 of the 8 standard full-size items you get in the pack. So I kind of knew a few of the items I was going to receive, just because I had to select them as I was going through the process. So I don't know, I kind of like the surprise part better almost, but I also like being able to pick things that I know I'm going to get to because I'll use them. So I guess it's a nice 50-50. There's items you have no idea that you're going to get, and then there's items that you know you're going to get. So if that works for you, where you're like a little bit of a surprise, but you also want to make sure you're getting most of the items or most items that you know you would prefer above others, I think that's a great ground. Like that's a really great subscription box in my opinion. It also, allows you to try other products too. So yeah, overall, I think the box was great. I'll use at least everything in here, from what I can see. And at this point, I'd recommend it if you want something fun that's quarterly. Like I said, $40 split up 3 months. It's not that much. It tends to be about a monthly subscription. So yeah, guys, I think it was pretty decent. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really overall pleased. So, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will check, see if I get another video up soon. I will work on that. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this little review of FabFitFun. And I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Ta-ta.